Hello and welcome. Now we are going to do another Crackme which simulates trial period software, and this is one. It is called Days Remaining. Let's run it and see how it works. So it shows you the trial period remaining. Here it says 22, meaning 22 days. So if we were to forward the date by going to the date adjust and change the date 2 days forward, click OK, and now we open, we see days remaining is 20 days. Okay, let's change the date. So today is the 8th, so let's put it the say 1st of, say we put 28, and we have 2 days remaining. So this is how the software works. It will keep on reducing the time remaining, and when it hits 0 or less, it should say trial expired. So let's get started. So fire up your C++ builder, File New, Windows VCL application, rename the project, right click, rename, call it Days Remaining. Next, select the target as release, then go and download an icon for a calendar from Icon Archive. So let's choose this one. Once it has downloaded, go to the download folder, cut, and place it in the projects folder. So let's create a new folder for our new project, call it 08 Days Remaining. So this is our icon. Now we will save the whole project, File, Save All, and save it in the new folder which you have just created. Next, we are going to set the standalone build. So right click on the project, Options, select C++ linker, uncheck link with dynamic RTL, scroll down, click on runtime packages, uncheck link with runtime packages, scroll up, click on icons, click on load icons, and select your icon. Click OK. Next, click on appearance. We are going to choose the style. Let's go and refer to the pictures for which style we want to use. This time I'm going to use Lavender Classico. So choose Lavender Classico from the list. Make sure the default style is also Lavender Classico. Then click on Save. Next, set the icon for the form. Select the form and then look in the Properties panel for the icon. Click on the 3 dots and click on the load. Click on your icon, click Open. then click OK. Next, we are going to change the caption for the form. So select the form, go to the properties panel, look for captions, and change it to days remaining. Check to make sure the caption is correct. Next, we are going to add a group box. So go to the palette and under the standards, look for group box. Click on group box and click in the form. And then for the caption for the form, go to the properties panel and the caption change to trial period remaining. Then click on box. Inside here we are going to put a label. Go back to the panel, look for a label, click on the label and click in the box. The label, let's change the caption. Put down here 30. The default is 30 days. Then for the font, scroll down, click on font, click on the three dots, increase the size to 18 and click OK. Position in the center. Now let's rename the label. Go to the name property and rename it as label message. Now we are ready to code. When the form loads, it will check the date and then perform some calculations to find how many days are remaining, and then it will display the days remaining in the label message. So to add an event to the form, we can click on the form, either go to event and select the right event here, or if you're not sure, actually we want on create, but if you're not sure, you can just click on the form and then double click it, and it gets a event handler automatically created for you. So when the form is created, you can put in here whatever instructions you want it to do. So we are going to create some variables first. The first variable is create an integer variable called days remaining. And assign it 0. Create a data structure called system time. This is the same data structure we have used before, so you could revise that lesson to find out what it's all about. Next, we are going to call local time API function and pass it the data structure, the address of the data structure, LT. This ampersand here denotes address. Next, we are going to calculate the days remaining. So we will assign days remaining the value of 30 minus LT.W day. Since it's February, so we will just put 28. Anyway, this is just a simulation, so it's okay what value you put. And then you're going to check if the days remaining is less than or equals to 0, then you will show a message. using the label that you created by changing its caption to trial expired. Else, label message will show the actual days remaining. Call the function into string to convert the integer days remaining into a string, into a C++ string. Now we can build it by clicking on this button to directly run it. And there you go. Trial period remaining 20 days. So since today is the 8th of February, so 28 minus 8 gives you 20. So if we forward our date to February 28, we should get this message, trial expired. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.